This is a walk around and operation video for a 2008 Bobcat 331 mini excavator. It is similar to Caterpillar, Kubota, John Deere, and more. It is 41,900 Canadian dollars plus tax. It has an enclosed cab with heat and AC. It has a 7,800 pound operating weight. It has a 42 horsepower, 2-speed diesel engine with 1,800 hours. It digs 10 feet 2 inches deep. It has hydraulic bucket exchange and includes a bucket and hydraulic thumb. It has auxiliary hydraulics. The rubber tracks are at 80%. There is normal wear and tear. This machine fires right up and operates as it should. It's a very nice mid-sized hydraulic excavator. It's located in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. We ship anywhere inexpensively. Please contact us for more information at www.edgeequipmentsales.com.